How to connect Sennheiser Bluetooth earphones. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you will learn how to quickly and easily connect your Sennheiser Bluetooth earphones to any device, whether it's a smartphone, laptop, or tablet. Let's get started. Step 1. Turn on and enter pairing mode. Start by turning on your Sennheiser earphones. If it's the first time you use them, they will automatically go into pairing mode. If not, press and hold the power button or the main multifunction button for about 5 to 7 seconds until the LED starts blinking blue and red. That means your earphones are ready to pair. Step 2. Open Bluetooth settings. Now, grab your phone or your computer and turn it on Bluetooth. On Android or your iPhone, just go to Settings and Bluetooth. On Windows, go to Settings, Devices, and Bluetooth. Step 3. Pair the earphones. In the list of available devices, look for the name of your earphones, like Sennheiser CX or Momentum True Wireless. Tap or click the name to start pairing. You should hear a confirmation sound or voice, and the LED will stop blinking once it's connected. Step 4. Test the connection. Play some music or a video to test the audio. If you don't hear anything, just check if the earphones are selected as the main audio input. Bonus tip. Optional section if you have time. If your model supports it, download the Sennheiser Smart Control app from the App Store or Google Play. You can adjust sound settings, update firmware, and customize the touch controls. And that's it. That was a step-by-step tutorial on how to connect your Sennheiser Bluetooth earphones. If you found this tutorial helpful, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.